In the previous tutorial, we learnt how to apply existing zones in ArcGIS Urban. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a new zoning type. First, we'll create a new scenario based on an existing one, so you're able to edit it and apply the new zoning type. First, let's create a new scenario. Click the plan icon. Select the plan you'd like to edit and click the Options button. And select Configure from the drop-down list. The Plan Settings dialog box appears. Click the Scenarios tab and browse to the bottom of the dialog box. Click Add Scenario and configure the new scenario by giving it a name. For Based On, choose Existing Conditions and then click OK. Click OK again. The new scenario is added to the scenario switcher on the plan detail card. The new scenario will also be visible and editable in the Plan Designer. Click the Options button on the plan detail card. Then in the drop-down menu, select Edit. The Plan Designer opens. Expand the scenario selector and choose the scenario you created. Let's explore the existing zoning. Use your navigation skills to adjust the view. The starting point for your design work is the existing or baseline conditions. That means the zoning you see is the current zoning. Click the Zoning button. Select a zoning area in the view. In this window, you see details about the zone, the max coverage, the max height, and the max number of dwelling units per acre. Other parameters include setbacks and allowed space use types. Because this is an existing zone, you can't edit it. You'll be proposing a change to these zones to allow specific development conditions. Next, we'll create a copy of the existing zone and make changes to the setbacks, creating a proposed zone. Click Cancel to return to the Zone Type Manager. Click Modify. This will display the zoning types list on the right side. Click the ellipses next to Millstone Tract Residential Multifamily Zone. Scroll down to the bottom and select Create Duplicate. In the dialog, add a label and a description. For the label, I'll use an abbreviation of Millstone Tract Residential Multifamily. You can also choose a color. You can use hexadecimal values or the color picker. This is where we edit parameters to set up the definition of this zone type. I'll increase the rear setbacks to 25 feet and click OK. Zoning setbacks are very common and apply to the property lines of a lot or parcel. In ArcGIS Urban, we refer to them as parcel edges. You can filter for zoning types based on whether they're proposed or existing. To do this, select the Filter button in the top right-hand corner. Check Proposed in this plan and click Apply Filters. Your proposed zone should appear in the list. I only want to apply this new zone to Phase 1 of the plan area, so I need to redraw the zones. On the Zone Editing toolbar, select the Split tool. Draw a cutting polyline splitting the parcel. Start and end your polyline outside the target parcel. Double-click to finish the line. In the upper right corner, select Split to apply the split operation. Now we can apply the new zoning type. Assigning or applying a zone type to a zoning boundary is straightforward. This links the zoning parameters of the zone type to all the parcels that fall within the zoning boundary. Select the proposed zone type boundary. Select Modify to open the zoning type panel. Click the name of your new zone type in the list. This new type is applied to the boundary selection automatically. The color and label of the selected zone boundary should update automatically also. In the next tutorial, we'll look at creating new building types to apply to your proposed zone areas.